Are you a Mac user? Don't worry, it's super easy. First, head over to your App Store and search for Windows App. Install it and open it up. Once you're in, click on Add PC and enter your VPS credentials as shown. Now, double-click your VPS profile and you're in. Inside your VPS, open any browser and go to telegramsignalcopier.com. Log in to your TSC portal. From the dashboard, navigate to My Downloads and choose the installation file that fits your VPS setup. Download it. Unzip the file. And then double-click on the Telegram Signal Copier app to begin installation. Just follow the on-screen instructions and that's it. Now, follow the setup tutorials on the Client Portal's Help or Support tab to complete your account setup. Or we've 24/7 dedicated support for you. Even if you have a Mac, you can still enjoy seamless copy trading with TSC.